how to fix Battlefield 6 no files installed error. So here's what you can do. First, you want to open up the EA client. You must be getting this error on the EA client. And right here, you want to click on manage where it says Battlefield 6 on the Battlefield 6 game, and you will click on repair. Now, once you do this, the second thing that I suggest doing is checking the add-ons. So you want to go into the add-ons section here and see if you have installed all of these additional add-ons. So you have the single player, you have multiplayer, and you will need to have installed all of these in order to play Battlefield 6. And if you have done all of this and still you can't play, then the last thing that I can suggest doing is getting a refund and getting it on Steam. Here you will just search for refund EA games. You want to open up this page. Now right here you will click on log into your EA account. Once you have logged in, you want to go into the order history. So click on order history, then you will find your order and you want to click on the order itself, and then you will click on request a refund. Once you click on request a refund, simply go through the prompts, then you will be able to receive your refund. But it's gonna take roughly 2 weeks to receive your refund before you can get it on Steam. If you're not in a hurry for the money, you can get it and then you will receive your refund, but that's basically what you can do. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.